You know, I travel all the time and I'm always looking for the cheapest flights, whether it's business, first class, or just sitting in the back of the plane. I want to find the cheapest or most economical flights with a good, reasonable airline. And I use two sites. The two I'd recommend to you, the first one is Skyscanner, Skyscanner. I'll go in, and it's really great for a multi-stop trip, because I do a lot of those. Just recently I flew over, went to Hong Kong, then I went into China, went to Malaysia, went to Thailand. After that I went to Singapore, Philippines, back again. So they're great at working out what would be the best trip for you. The other one I use are Google Travel. If you just go in and type in Google Flights, actually Google Flights, put in your dates, it will come up with all of the airlines and the best flights for you. So there's two ideas for you to use when you next fly. Hey, this is Frank, and I hope you enjoyed today's podcast. There's lots and lots more to come. I've visited so many countries, so many cities, and I've got so much more to come. So please subscribe. Please go on and watch every one of the series. Give me some comments. Give me some feedback. Also, take a look at my websites, frankfurness.com and productivitycenter.com. Also, follow me on LinkedIn, Frank Furness. Every day I come up with some great new ideas and strategies. So, hey, this is Frank. Thanks for listening.